Hey y'all, today we're going to show you how to make a low-carb avocado salad.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
That is really good.
You
should get a big fork and try that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes at Crock.com.
And I am Mikey from recipes at Crock.com. That's my beautiful wife's cook-a-vlog, and she's right here with us today. What are we going to make today, honey?
Today we are going to make low-carb avocado salad, a yummy side dish that's easy to throw together. We are not going to be putting it in a crock pot because that probably wouldn't work very well.
Nope, but it's a good side dish to some of the other dishes we've been making lately. It's early on in the year. A lot of people are starting to push to go more low-carb, eat a little healthier, and we have a dish that's similar to this. I think it's on goodnessgracious.com. And I think we call it, it's like a corn summer salad, which is a lot similar to this, only this one ain't got no corn because we're cutting out a lot of the sugar.
Yes, but this is a yummy dish you can make, and this is one that we love to make during the summertime, but we also like to make during the wintertime because it kind of gives you some of those summer flavors.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to have to help me with what all you've prepped here. We're going to do 2 avocados diced.
Yes. Now, avocado, you need to watch and kind of pay attention to your avocados. I don't know a really good way. There's all kinds of different ways they say to check for a ripe avocado, but not overripe. I don't know.
My favorite way to check is to, when you're in the grocery store.
The mush test.
If you want to use it right away, then when you press on the avocado, it should just barely give.
Not like
yes.
Smush all the way through.
Like these are bright green and hard as a rock.
We could play baseball with those.
So we're going to leave these for later. These are probably a little softer than what I want them to be, but it is what it is. So what I wanted Mikey to show you is how you can cut into it if you don't know how to cut into an avocado and slice it within the skin so that when you scoop it out, it comes out diced already. And you and your knife are like...
Don't worry, I'm a professional. I'll come up there to you.
So, this should be... I'm sorry, don't cut them.
Hello! Wah! Alright, so you take your knife. It's wet because I've been cutting up vegetables. Don't worry, it's good. Take your avocado, and I'm gonna go beside, not in the middle, beside the stem. And then you'll feel the pit. It stops. That's the pit. Be very careful when you do this. Use a sharp knife. Don't use a dull knife. Don't cut yourself. I'm going to try not to. And I'm just going to go around that pit, making a circle with my knife. And then you take it and you twist. Kind of like you would an Oreo, only you're not getting the cream in the middle. And that is a perfectly creamy, good avocado. Now the next part is the one that always scares my wife. This has a huge pit in it, which is great. Some of them have smaller pits, but I shouldn't be able to miss this. I'm going to take my knife, and I'm going to very assertively, but carefully and gingerly, stick it into the pit so that it does that, and then twist, and the pit comes out. You have the other side of that perfectly creamy avocado. These are good avocados. And then this... You do not hit your knife, but it's okay to whack your handle gently on the side of your trash can or your bowl or whatever. Keep your other hand out of the way, and comes off clean.
Yes.
Hit them with a knife.
No, we're not.
Oh. Well, I'm not going to wash that knife. I'm going to make you wash another one. And all my good knives...
They're down in the next drawer.
Are in the next drawer. Well, looky there. My knife.
Okay.
And now, for the next step that I forgot. You want to take your nice creamy avocado and you go in like this, and you want to don't go through the flesh on the backside, don't go through the skin, but just slice into it long ways like that. Get a good 3 slices in there, and then turn it and do the same thing so that you get cubes of avocado just like that. And not once did I cut my finger. I did it once, but it was a long time ago.
So now all you have to do is...
Done with a knife.
You wonder why our knives don't survive very well. Anyhow, all you do is then take your spoon and you scoop down in.
And just ride that spoon along the skin.
Yep.
And your avocados come out clean and there's not much left over. I want to try that.
Go for it.
In Also make sure that if that little bit of a stem, that woody stem's in there, make sure you get that out, because those don't taste good.
Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm going to start pouring on our lime juice, which this is the lime juice from 2 limes.
A lime juice from 2 limes, and I went ahead and I put, since we're going to use minced freeze-dried garlic, I want to rehydrate that garlic. So I put the garlic in there, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I took the juice of the 2 limes and squirted it on top so that it would hydrate that garlic.
So now
the
this garlic is the consistency if you had peeled it and chopped it fresh. So I'm going to start pouring this on our avocados because,
preferably not on me.
Because the lime juice will help the avocados not brown.
You know, I put that knife away.
You would have liked to have kept it?
No, yeah, because...
He really wants to...
I'll use your fork. I'm good. It's okay to be resourceful.
Okay, so we're going to just stir that lime juice up.
Gently, especially with these avocados. They are more on the ripe side.
So they're creamier, so it's going to turn to guacamole if you keep being rough with it. Now, if you happen to use a hard avocado, all those steps that we just said are going to be much more difficult. Getting the pit out will be very difficult, and you potentially could have almost crunchy avocados. So
crunchy avocado is not good.
Yeah, a softer avocado is best for this. Okay, so to that, is this a 1/4 of a cup?
That is 1/4 of a cup of what was supposed to be a yellow onion.
But we used white.
Yeah, because that's what Walmart gave us.
Yes.
So, and you want to chop that up, dice that up, mince that up. It's however you like the consistency of your onion. Ours are they're right in the middle between a mince and a chop because I still wanted that crunch.
All right, and then we also have a 1/2 cup of sliced, so cut in half, grape tomatoes.
Now I know I showed y'all a really cool trick where you go and take the tomatoes between 2 plates and slice them. These grape tomatoes were a little too small, so I had to do them one at a time.
And then is this?
That is 1 cup.
1 cup of chopped red bell pepper.
It's a pepper plus a little more so I could get that cup because the peppers we got were a wee bit small.
Yeah, that's all going to matter or depend upon your, before you get too busy stirring, let's grab some salt. We need to salt things since that's going to need stirring.
And I'm going to put some salt in, but I'm not going to go too terribly crazy because you can always salt more later.
Yeah.
Can I go back and stir it?
Okay. Yeah, go.
That's what we'll do.
All right, so what we mean is it depends upon how big your bell pepper is and your taste. If bell pepper isn't your thing, you can be less or more on any of these ingredients.
And we're using a red bell pepper. You could use green if you want to. I think the reds are a little sweeter. Yellows, oranges, whatever. You can make it whatever color of the rainbow you want.
So now, it's good as is. It's also good if you pop it in the refrigerator and eat it cold. Let it get cold.
Kind of like this in 3, 2, 1. That's right. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to go and eat it as is. You can put it in the fridge if you want to, but I am in the mood for a little bit of that salad. I'll take just a wee bit more because I help make it. Now I want to show you something else.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, you took my fork.
Now this fork is dirty because I used it to cut up the lime. This is Chris's fork, right? This is the fork she handed me and said it was more the size of my mouth. Do you see the difference between the forks? I don't care.
You go for it, baby.
I'll use it anyway. But look at them pretty colors. You got the reds from the tomato. I've got the reds from the bell peppers. Again, use whatever flavor you want. And that avocado, to me, is the perfect consistency because it's going to be creamy and it'll melt in your mouth. Cheers, y'all. That's the perfect amount of salt too. Good job, Mike. Thanks, Chris.
This would go good with burgers. It would go good with barbecue chicken,
steak,
all the kinds of things that you like to throw on the grill. I think this is like the perfect side dish too.
That avocado is perfect. And I really, really, really do like that summer corn salad that we do. But again, it's also beginning of year for us too, and we're really shifting gears and really starting to go more low carb again. And I still want some sweetness in there with my salad. Between the bell pepper and the onion, it does add some sweetness. So I'm not really missing that sweet corn like I thought I would. That is really good. You should get a big fork and try that.
It definitely has similar flavors as that summer salad that we used to make all the time. So we do make this a lot. We make this a lot in our camper kitchen too, because we grill out a lot while we're there. So I'm glad we got some of that for side dish. So anyhow, I'm gonna make you grill me up some steaks this week, and I'm gonna have that as a side.
Well.
Here we go.
Yay, steak.
If you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, click subscribe down below and become a member of our slow cooking, all kinds of cooking family.
Sometimes we don't even cook.
That's true. But if you would like notified every time we upload a video, click
the big fork and ding-a-ling.
and that is the notification bell down below, and YouTube will let you know every time we upload a video. But whatever you do,
laugh often,
eat good food,
and speak life.
Bye guys.
Bye y'all.
You like the big fork.
I get more in my mouth.
Perfectly sized. Eat with that one.
Are you serious? 2.
Stop!
1.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen.
Try it again.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.